UK Lockpicker back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be picking this Abus rock. It's the 8355 model. It's the Series 2 with a 6-pin removable core, nano protected shackle and double ball locker mechanisms. Let's get it in the vise and see how it is. So we've got the lock in the vise, we've got a rigid tension bar. We're going to be using John Egerton's pick. Absolute beaut of a pick that is. And we're just going to go in and see how we get on. So number one. Leave him there, number two. Number one's fighting with us. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, into a deeper falset. Gonna come back to the beginning. Check 1, which is a spool, by the way I'm getting counter. There you go. Picked. So what we're going to do, seeing as though we opened it quite fast, we'll put that to one side. We'll bring the pin and tray into play, and then we're going to get this one gutted as well. So to gut this lock, what we have is a screw down there. So we're going to reach down with a screwdriver. Probably is not the best screwdriver to use, but take the screw out, which will then release the core. I'm going to lock it back up because I've got the key. And the key, by the way, looks like that. Take that circlip off using a circlip remover. Compress the pin, just get us a bit of movement there, and then what we'll do, take that off, see if I've got to follow it to suit. I think that one will do the job. So this here is the plug. Oh, it's not going to go down with a few people, but I ain't at one for cheating, you know that. Some people are, I'm not. So in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing to show in there. In here, starting at 1, expecting to see a lot of spools in here. 1 is a spool. Sort them key pins out a little bit. 2 is a spool. 3 is a spool. 4 is a spool. 5 is, last but not least, we have 6, which is a spool. We'll dump all of those out. Put that on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Just a bit of a zoom in what they look like. There you go, 6 spools, and are they tapered edge key pins? Nah, I think they're just normal. But yeah, all in all, a lovely lock. Abus rock is no joke. Please like, please leave your comments, and don't forget to hit that subscriber button. See you on the next one.